being an introvert or being an extrovert has nothing to do with somebody's success. I think success is measured by completely different parameters and not by whether you're an introvert or an extrovert. The difference between an introvert and an extrovert is that introverts gather their energy from solitude. Okay, so introverts get more energy when they're alone, and when they're around other people, that actually saps away the energy. That's how an introvert is built. And whereas an extrovert is completely opposite. Extroverts get more energy when they're around other people, and when they're alone, the energy kind of gets sapped away. So I myself, I am an introvert by nature. I'm not one of those people that particularly enjoy going out on a Friday night, drinks and talking crap, mindless things. I don't like doing that. So when I have a conversation, I like to go really deep in those conversations with maybe one or two people, and that's it. As soon as I'm surrounded by a group of people and the conversation becomes really superficial, I lose all energy to want to engage in those conversations. But when I'm talking to someone individually and talking about really deep things, that's where I get a lot of energy. Whether someone is successful doesn't really have anything to do with whether you're an introvert or an extrovert. Those are measured on other things completely, and both extroverts and introverts can be very, very successful. Now, the reason why a lot of multi-billionaires are actually introverts, there's a very good reason for that, is because introverts have a tendency to understand people more. They tend to have deeper conversations, and they tend to understand problems a lot more. As a result of that, they can then offer solutions to those problems. And you'll notice a lot of multi-billionaires are introverts for that very reason. I wouldn't say they're better listeners, but because they tend to have deeper conversations with people, they're able to pinpoint deeper issues and find solutions to those issues.